Hello everyone and welcome to ERCS Private Limited. If you are a manufacturer, importer or brand owner planning to sell electronic or IT products in India, this video is for you. Today we will explain everything you need to know about BIS CRS registration, from meaning and applicability to process, document and how ERCS Private Limited can help you to get your product registered successfully. What is BIS CRS registration? The Bureau of Indian Standard (BIS) is India's national standard body responsible for ensuring product quality and safety. To regulate electronic and IT products, BIS introduced the Compulsory Registration Scheme (CRS), commonly known as BIS Scheme 2. Under this scheme, certain electronic products must be registered with BIS before they can be manufactured, imported, or sold in the Indian market. Now, the next question is why BIS CRS registration is compulsory? CRS registration is not optional, it is a legal requirement under the Indian law. Without BIS CRS registration, products can be stopped at customs, sales may be banned in India, manufacturers may face penalty and legal action. CRS ensures that the product meet Indian safety and quality standard, protecting the both consumer and businesses. Products covered under BIS registration. Currently, BIS registration includes 70 plus electronic and IT products including laptop and tablets, LED light and drivers, power bank and adapters, printer and scanners, CCTV camera, mobile phone, solar PV module and more. Before applying, it is very important to confirm whether your product falls under BIS CRS mandatory list. Who needs BIS registration? Indian manufacturers and foreign manufacturers exporting to India. Foreign manufacturers must appoint an authorized Indian representative AIR who will coordinate with BIS on their behalf. ERCS Private Limited acts as an AIR for foreign manufacturers. Step by step BIS registration process. Step 1. Product applicability check. Confirm that whether your product comes under the mandatory list. Step 2. Appointment of AIR for foreign manufacturers. Mandatory for overseas applicants. Step 3. Product testing. Product samples are tested in BIS recognized laboratories as per the applicable Indian standard. Step 4. Online application submission. Submit the CRS application along with product test report and documents on the BIS portal. Step 5. BIS fee payment. Payment of the product registration fee on the BIS portal. Step 6. Scrutiny by BIS. BIS review the application and may raise queries. Step 7. Grant of registration. Once approved, BIS issue the BIS CRS certificate with an R number, allowing legal sales in India. Documents required for BIS registration. The basic documents include business and factory registration document, product technical details, BIS recognized lab test reports, trademark certificate, declaration of conformity, authorization letter and affidavit, AIR documents if applicable. Validity and renewal of CRS registration. BIS CRS registration is usually valid for 2 years and must be renewed on time to avoid suspension and cancellation. ERCS Private Limited also provide renewal and modification services. Why choose ERCS Private Limited? At ERCS Private Limited, we offer end-to-end BIS registration support including product applicability analysis, coordinating with BIS recognized lab, documentation and application filling, handling BIS queries, support for Indian and foreign manufacturers. Our expert team ensures hassle-free approval for the smooth grant of certificate. BIS CRS registration is essential for selling electronic and IT products in India. With frequent regulatory updates and expert guidance is crucial. If you need help with BIS CRS registration, renewal or any other post-compliance, contact ERCS Private Limited today. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching this video.